Good morning, everybody. It's Father's Day. I'm not sure when this video will actually go out, so happy Father's Day to all you folks out there. We got a little bit of a road trip planned today. Summertime, springtime is your cruise-in seasons, and a lot of cars getting together, a lot around our area here in Kings Mountain. We're going to make the trek today for the Mount Airy, or Mayberry, as most people refer to it. We are going to go up there. They're having one from 1 to 4. A few stops along the way. We'll take you along with that, but next time we see, we'll make a stop, maybe breakfast, who knows what else. But we will be in Mayberry for the entire thing this afternoon, so come along. Made it after breakfast at the Cracker Barrel. Look in the background, you're looking at downtown Mount Airy. Many people refer it to Mayberry. Cruise in starts at 1 o'clock, 1 to 4 run. Come along, let's see what we find. Okay, folks, what we're looking at here is a 70 F100. I've met a new kindred soul that's got a Ford pickup truck that is to die for if you're in that genre. Mr. Nick Edwards, if you would, sir, just walk us through a little bit about the truck. Tell us what we're looking at here.
Well, basically we took a stock truck without a motor and transmission in it and tore the front end off from under it, put us Fat Man Fabrication front end under, done a rear flip kit in the rear, took the truck apart, painted it from the seams to the flat paint inside the hood and inside the cab, and then just put the rest of it pretty much back stock.
Yeah. And
we put Papa's Garage on it, and what that means is all the grandkids call my dad Papa. He had a little old garage in the backyard, and my dad got cancer about 10 years ago, and I had Papa's Garage put on the doors.
So that's exactly what similar story with the 69 coming out of my garage, folks. You know the story that Dad bought it new. In 69, so all of these old trucks, they all got a family tie, don't they, Nick?
Yep. And,
good deal.
We still got a 69 at home. If we can find some rust-free parts, we're going to fix it next.
This is a shameless plug, but Dennis Carpenter's that's a go-to Ford man's place.
Absolutely, it is. You're right.
Well, we certainly appreciate your time, my friend. You got a beautiful truck here, and again, the family ties and these old Fords run deep.
They're strong, ain't they?
Yes, sir. If you were going to have a K-code car, this would be the one to get. 428, autographed by Terrell Shelby.
It's cool.
What better way to launch a new YouTube channel to be on Father's Day at a cruise-in, and that's exactly what we've done today. I hope you've enjoyed our walkthrough and our time spent here in Mount Airy. Look at their website for the Mount Airy Cruise-In and also Pilot Mountain. I hope you've enjoyed the afternoon, because I certainly have. Happy Father's Day.